Hey guys, and welcome back to another FOGO video. Today I have a special holiday edition for you guys. Today we're going to roast this 13-pound New York strip loin for you guys. And we're going to do roasted Brussels sprouts, and we're going to make a killer chimichurri sauce. Let me show you how to do it. A traditional holiday meal is a rib roast. You know, bone in, 3-4 bones. You can make amazing prime rib with that. But so you can also use a strip loin. You know, a strip loin is essentially New York strip steaks. So as you can see it here, you have your New York strip steaks, and you could break that down into individual steaks, or you can cook it just like a rib roast, an entire piece, and then cut it just like a prime rib into thin slices of amazing beef. All right, guys, so let's get the grill started, and let me show you how to cook it.
Oh! Sebastian, I've heard you've been a very naughty boy this year. So
Me?
we have a naughty bag of coal for you.
Thank you, Santa.
You're welcome. Have a very Merry Christmas, and make sure you cook this really well, okay?
Thank you, Santa. I really appreciate it.
All right, guys. Santa left me with this big bag of coal. Let's get this grill lit and cooking. To light this grill today, we're going to use the blazer ball. Open it up, put in 2 FOGO starters, and put the blazer ball in the bottom of your grill and then light it. For today's cook, I'm going to use the FOGO Super Premium. Just pour it right on the blazer ball. That's what it's made for. It keeps the fire burning, and it will light the charcoal from the bottom up. I'm cooking on the Kamado Joe Big Joe today. I'm going to reverse sear or smoke indirectly this whole piece of meat. So I'm going to put in this plate setter and set it to low and slow by adjusting the top and bottom vents to almost close. I want to smoke this whole piece of meat at 225 degrees, low and slow until it hits 115 degrees internal temperature. Alright, and here it is, our beautiful primal strip loin. I'm going to trim it very lightly, just to cut off a little bit of that excess fat. To season the strip loin, I'm going to use the FOGO rub. The FOGO rub is an award-winning steak rub that is packed with flavor and a key ingredient, activated charcoal. It's going to give the meat an amazing black color even before it goes on the grill, and it helps to build up an amazing crust. And I love crust on a steak. And on goes the meat at a nice 225 degrees, low and slow, until the meat reaches an internal temperature of 115 degrees. Often I get asked, how long did you cook it for? And it doesn't really matter. It takes however long it takes until we hit an internal temperature of 115 degrees. Always cook to temp, not to time. Next, Brussels sprouts. Cut off the ends, add some olive oil, salt, pepper, and then carefully skewer them. Leave the Brussels sprouts on a cutting board and push the skewer right through it. As the meat finishes cooking, you can put the Brussels sprouts on the grill to have them ready at about the same time that the meat comes off. It will take about 15 to 20 minutes for the Brussels sprouts to become fork tender. Let's prep the chimichurri next. I'm going to chop a whole cup of parsley. I like it fairly coarse, so I prefer using the knife over the food processor. It gives me a much better texture and consistency. I'm going to add a red chili pepper or 2. I love it for color and a bit of heat. If you don't like it hot, you can remove the seeds. Or if you don't like any heat at all, you can use a red paprika instead. And garlic. Man, do I love garlic. I'm going to chop up a couple of cloves and add them to the chimichurri. Add salt and pepper to taste and about half a cup of olive oil. Once the meat hits 115 degrees internal temperature, remove it from the grill. Then open all the vents and remove the plate setter or whatever you use to cook indirectly, and let the grill come to life. Once the grill is hot and there are beautiful flames, it is time for searing. At this stage, all the meat needs is just a quick sear just to build up a little bit of that crust. Sear each side about a minute or so over the fire and watch out for flare-ups.
All right, guys, did you enjoy that fire show? That was amazing. All right, I think it's time to cut the meat. So let's get right in there.
Damn, Ron, this looks amazing.
It does. It does. You nailed it.
That is the holiday roast I have dreamed about.
That's beautiful. I mean, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what. I really like that flame show you did when that thing came off the grill. That was pretty awesome.
I can't wait to take that inside. Let's put a little chimichurri on there.
That's a good idea.
Right down the middle.
Right down the middle. All right.
And then we'll take it in.
Can I do it?
Yeah.
All right.
We'll take it in, show it to the family, and have an amazing dinner. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this, and we showed you that you can try something completely different. You don't have to do a rib roast primer every time. A New York strip roast is just as amazing, and look how this turned out.
Really
I think we have a real great meal in our hands here, and I hope you guys try it out at home.
This is one of my favorites. Hey, you know what I want to know? You know what I want to know? What are you making for the holidays?
Yeah, what are you guys making?
Come on, tell us.
Share it with us.
Yep.
Leave us a comment, and happy holidays, guys.
Yeah, happy holidays. Hey, listen, don't forget, subscribe, like the video, leave us a comment, okay? And share it with your friends.
Yeah.
Have a very
Thank you
happy
so much.
holiday, and thank you so much.
Bye.